So the Area Developer franchise is the way that the Football Fun Factory scales the UK in our aim of becoming the world's leading children's football coaching organisation. The idea is that essentially we have people that grow their own network of franchisees. They're a head coach themselves, but then they have a territory, a larger geographical area where they can recruit their own team of franchisees.
An area developer has the opportunity to make a difference on a mass scale. They can grow their footprint and the footprint of the Football Fun Factory, create opportunities for hundreds and thousands of children across their local community. It's hugely rewarding.
So in terms of the financial opportunity, we have really taken it up a notch with the Area Developer franchise. We've got a proven business model that has delivered a six-figure profit, and that can be your six-figure salary as your income as you lead your Football Fun Factory community.
We're looking for incredibly passionate football people with a huge existing network that they can use to help find new superstar head coaches across their community. We're looking for someone who has a passion for football, a passion for business, and wants to try and grow the footprint of the Football Fun Factory across the UK.
So if you want to be a key player in the strategic growth of the Football Fun Factory, if you think you can help us scale the UK and grow our footprint, then we want to hear from you.